I have been through it all. Artisans disappearing with my money before the job is done. Losing money and redoing jobs because of poor workmanship. I cried. I was so frustrated. There were days I kept questioning my decision, asking if I'm walking on the right path, if I'm doing the right thing. But I did not stop.
Hello, soulmate. It's been a minute. Wait for a good cause. Honestly, I have a lot to say, but I don't know where to start. I'm so excited. Let me start with introducing myself to my new soulmate. I am Renan Falashade. I help beginners and aspiring fashion designers build their skills through practical tips, personal branding, and help build the confidence you need to kickstart your journey as a fashion designer. If that sounds like what you're interested in, then you have to keep on watching this video. Today, I'm showing you my almost ready fashion studio, the real behind the scenes, doing it alone, navigating disappointment, and what I went through with artisan to get to this point. Dreams will come true, but no one tells you how hard the journey can be.
This was me in 2023. I just made one of the boldest decisions of my life. I decided to pursue fashion design full time. And this jeans was one of the first things I used to perfect my stitches. I was so happy that I could sew something together. I knew this fashion thing was what I wanted, but I didn't know how hard it would be. I used to cut on the floor and also on this table as low artisans. Oh, I went through serious backache. But I had to use it because I started cutting on the floor. That was the only available thing I could use at the moment, and I don't want anything to stop me. As I was sewing outdoors on the veranda, sometimes I walk late at night fighting mosquitoes, power issues. That's the story for another day. But I kept going because I saw something no one else could see, my future. Then came my dream studio. I didn't just want a space to sew. I wanted a space that felt like mine, a space I could breathe in, create in, and also invite students into. But let me tell you, bringing this to life was something else. It was a beautiful shaggy, or what would I call it? From artisans that disappear with my money without finishing the project, and having to redo the project because of poor workmanship. And I'm a very detailed person. Oh my god, I cried. I was so frustrated. But I handled it and I paid attention. I started learning how to buy materials on my own, how to monitor projects, how to speak up. Even when it was overwhelming, I told myself, no one is coming to save you. You have to show up for yourself. That's affected me in some ways because I had to stay with the artisans. Little by little, it started coming together. This wasn't built overnight. This was small steps, secret tears, and a lot of faith. And now here we are. It's not fully done, but it's mine. And I'm so proud to say my fashion studio is almost ready.
In my previous video, if you haven't watched it, please do. I share the step-by-step of how to save up and build your dream studio. I didn't share this journey in real time because I wanted to pour all my heart into making this happen. But now I am ready to bring you along. I am back. And I'm not opening this space for just me. I'm opening this space for all aspiring fashion designers who ever felt like giving up. If you are waiting for the perfect time to chase your dream, hear me. Perfect time does not exist. You have to start scared, confused, even broke, or start anyways. And I want to help you do just that. I'll be teaching again soon, and I would love to have you in this new space of mine. Stay close, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any update that I drop. Once again, my name is Mayan Fulashade, and my main goal is to see you go. Until next time, bye.